Hey everyone, and good morning. We've got a little project here today where the homeowner would like for us to continue to finish digging out a path for a walkway. A lot of roots, they've done quite a bit. We're going to finish the last little bit for them. Today, the wife is going to take a crack at the excavator. She's been practicing it since we got it a few months ago, and it's time to put some of those skills to test. This is going to be a good one because, as you can see, she's working with anywhere from 3 to 5 inches maximum. Got to keep it level and navigate all the other obstacles. So let's see how it goes. Now you can rate. Now what you can do is bring it back towards you and put it right over there for him, because he's going to wheelbarrow it out. So bring it all the way up, bring it all the way in, and then move it over there. All right, now bring your arm, no, because you're gonna hit the bushes. Bring the arm all the way up. All right, you're clear of the bushes. Now swing gently. What I would do is make the tile close to that paver, because as you continue to make progress and back up, try and keep it in one location for them. Ever heard the thing, rinse and repeat? There you go, rinse and repeat. Haha, she's got it. Go jump it, and then do it again. You're clear. Rotate. Good movement on that one. Well guys, as you can see, I made a few mistakes on that last video. I hit slow-mo instead of time-lapse and just did the best I could with the editing. Overall, the project ended up really well. You can see that the wife did a much better job than I did. She took her time, she moved extremely slow, But in her section, we never had to use any hand tools to correct, fill in, or grade that area, whereas I completed it very quickly, but we had to go back and spend some time doing some manual labor instead of, you know, the brute force of the machine. So we will have some more practice and more projects coming up. Both her and I will continue to get familiar with things, but I've got some before and after photos that I can share as well. So my apologies on messing that up. My videos will continue to get better, and I will find some editing software that I like and am familiar with. I've had a couple trial runs and errors with couples already, and you know, we'll get it dialed in. Y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow as we document our projects throughout with the machinery that we have. Take care.